Hello everyone, welcome to Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. Let's get the I am Erica. Let's get some of the other stuff out of the way. New phone, new recording setup. If the video is too loud, let me know. If it's too low, let me know. We'll figure out what we gotta do. Today we will be opening finally the Walmart beauty boxes for the spring. It's a beauty box that you could get once a season. I get two somehow, don't know how, just know I do, and I do pay for both. I just don't know how to cancel one of them because I don't, when I hit the link it takes me to the same place, so I don't know what to do, and they're only $5 to $7, so really not a lot of money. So, well, and it's like what, four times a year? So it's $14 4 times a year opposed to... Anyways, I noticed this year they have that. Spring version 3, 2022. And the other one is version 6. So, I do pay for these with my own money. Both of them. I don't know if they even give a free one. It always comes with this little thing that tells you what's in there and what the full size costs. So I do add it up for us. And I do let you know if what is inside is actually a full size. I gotta clean up over here again. It's not like the whole room isn't dirty, but like the makeup I just used is like piled right there and I don't want to knock it over. So it tells you everything you're getting, all the possible choices you could get, and the prices. So first thing in this one is a black BLKOPL True Color Illuminating Stick. That looks like it might be too dark for me. Let me see. Oh, maybe not. It's not the color that's on the box. See? I thought it was going to be like that color. I'm guessing this might not be full size. 7.10. Is this like an extra thing, maybe? It's not even listed on here. Oh, don't see your item here? Your box may include an extra surprise that we thought you would like. So this could be full size. And it is a light color. I'm trying to get into cream makeup, so I was trying to make it more intense so y'all could see it. Now I'm going to blend it so y'all could see. It's like a champagne shade. I kind of like that. It's in Golden Lights. If I could find the price to it, I'll put it below. All right. The next thing is, we've already gotten this before. Lottie London Arch Rival Brow Artist Brow Pencil in dark brown. And it is full size, and it's $6.98. Okay. Liquid IV, full size, $8.96, and it is a 6 count, and this is what I drink with mine. I don't drink the golden cherry. I don't think I can drink the golden cherry. So I'll save it for like Jason. Though. I'm allergic to cherries. Cherries make sores in my mouth. But the full size is $8.98. So there's 6 in there. So what, $1.50 a piece maybe? $1.25. We'll put $1.25. 1.25. We got a Biore pore strips, 1 nose strip. A full size is a good question because it's not on here either. So we got 1 Biore nose strip. $1.50. Alright, we have Weightless Water Cream 72-hour CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare. Okay, and this is for a full size is $14, and it's 2.0 fluid ounces. This is 0.05, so this is probably less than $1. So we'll put. See, this is when 2 calculators works. So we're just gonna put like, you know what? We'll just put $1. Either way, we're already above what I paid for it. We have a tiny little lipstick Maybelline Super Stay Matte Lip, $7.98. The full size, definitely not a full size. I'll show you the full size for $7.98. I believe I still have some. I do need to go through here. There we go. It's not exactly the Super Stay. Well, yeah, it is. Super Stay. That's the difference. This one is $7.98. This one is a sample of it. So, put that up right there. It is in a reddish shade, Pioneer, which is a really pretty shade. I don't think it's one I own. Smooth Move shampoo. You know what? We're going to put this as $1 or $2. Because technically it's not worth anything. We're just, you know. This is a 5 times smoother hair made with Frizz Lock, hyaluronic acid, and macadamia nut, not your mother's. Anti-frizz. This is, the full size is $7.74. This is just a sample. We're going to put 50 cents plus 50 cents. And that's all for the first box. Some of these things are going to go into a box, and I forgot to pick a winner for the last time. So we're just going to add all of these things that come in these 2 boxes that I'm not keeping to the other box, which is technically still sitting here. Right here. And it does have more stuff in it. Let me show y'all. I did add some sheet masks and all that good stuff to it. And still got everything in there. And we're going to add more. And I'm going to put it in a different box. I may even add an eyeshadow palette as a sorry. Alright, the next one. So that box was worth $12. Probably give or take a little less. Either way, it was more than $7. Do I already have this in here? Yeah. I already have this in here in brown. So we're just going to keep the dark brown. So let's go in here. We're going to clear the calculator out. Now, we have another Beauty for All little thing, and it has the same stuff on it. Let's see what we have in here. We have Impress short length nails press on manicure. I do want to try these out because I never get the time, and let's face it, paying for all that money to go get your nails done, and then they come right off, sucks. So I'm gonna try these because they look a lot cheaper. And let's say, yeah, $6.97 for 30 nails. You only got 10 fingers. Not sure if there's different sizes. So we're gonna go ahead. That is definitely a full size. So $6.97. That basically pays for the box right there. All right, next thing we have Eden leave-in conditioner, coconut shea butter. Not on here. Nope, not on here at all. Alright, so this is a leave-in conditioner that's coconut, and I love coconut, and I love leave-in conditioners, so I will try this and I will review it whenever I do my empties. So there's 2 things I'm keeping. That is definitely not a full size. I don't have a price here. We're gonna go with, when you go to Walmart and you see that little aisle where they have like all the samples or like travel sizes, things are usually like, what, $5, $2, $3? We'll go with $3. $3. Okay. Then we have Chapstick Total Hydration Eucalyptus Non-Tinted Age-Defying Lip Oil. Flavor may vary. This is a full size. It is $3.94. $3.94. And I'm probably not going to keep that. So we're going to go ahead and put that in the thing over there. And I won't keep this either. And it's not on here. And this is full size. I'm going to say $9. It's a Milani Platinum Bronze Sun Glow Strobe Light. So I'm going to say about, we're going to put $8. Only because I know I've bought this before. And I didn't use it. We have another Golden Cherry So plus 0.25. And then we have the other two things, like $1 plus $1, plus $1.50. So this box though had a lot of full-size products, and this was worth $23 even without all those little dollar things. So overall, it's really good for your money, and I will try to remember to update down below in a comment when I put this up. But I am pretty sure I don't have very many entries, official entries to the giveaway. Comment below what you used. Oh, don't, because it won't show me. Just put like a random comment and I'll respond to you whether or not you entered. Use something with like a blue. Use a puzzle piece in the comment and I'll know you want to make sure. Because some people have already let you know. So use a puzzle piece and I'll let you know for sure. If you have entered, use a puzzle piece in your comment and I will double check. Because it also said for you to put your name that you use on here on the form. So yeah. I hope y'all have a beautiful day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.